What's up, pineapples? Welcome back to my channel. So well, first off, I'm a little bit sick. So if I sound a little bit different, that's why. And also if I look a little bit crusty and dusty around this nostril area, I've been blowing my nose like crazy. Okay, I finally have a setup behind me. I have my monitor right here and it looks pretty good. It doesn't look too bright. It doesn't look too washed out. I mean, I have some bright colors on. What do you guys think? Isn't this so adorable? I have to give a shout out to my girl, Leisha, X-Sparkage. Well, she changed her channel name now to her name. She has a really cool like lightning bolt in the back of her background. So I got really inspired and I don't know, I just loved it. So I thought, okay, let's see if they have a pineapple one. So girl, love you. So then I found one and I was like so excited. So I'll probably like text her tomorrow saying, you inspired me, but hopefully she's watching my video because I don't know. Okay. This is kind of what I came up with for right now. I had no idea it was going to take me like 2 hours to figure out lighting in this new room. In my last beauty room at the house that we're renting, it was larger. It was double the size of this room. So I thought it was going to be pretty easy to like light this room up and not need so many extra lights. And I think I got it, but it took me 2 hours because I was like, why does it look so dark? Let me know how you guys feel about it. I don't think it's too bright. I don't like anything like super washed out. I don't want to put like too much lights back there because then it drowns out the colors. That's where I was having issues because my pineapple looked like white against the wall when I had like too much lighting and made it more bright against the wall. Let me know how you guys feel. Is the color of the wall okay? Because we are debating on painting my walls white. Let me know. I think it's a pretty nice neutral shade though. I don't want everything like washed out. That's my whole thing. My hair was nice and straight and silky and really cute. And then it got frizzy and just wavy because I was like sweating with all the lights on because I literally was like this and watching my monitor and placing things and it was hilarious. You guys should have seen me. I'm going for a tropical theme, but I don't want it to look too messy and busy. Right now that's how I'm feeling like it, but I want it to be fun, like light and fresh and not so just like so typical. Like I love fairy lights. I love the tropical feel. I don't know if you guys can see, I have like little palm leaves. I have a lot of leaves that I ordered. I'm like, dude, was I gonna create a jungle? I have like way too many palm leaves, but this is like my first video I'm filming in this room. Hopefully it's okay. Is my mic on? Oh my gosh. I almost like shit myself right now. Now let's get into my May favorites. And let me show you what I've been loving. This is the first time I get to say it in this room. So before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe, become a part of the Pineapple tribe. I upload every Tuesday and Thursday. And also now when I have a third video just ready to go, because sometimes I do. Like I feel like most of the time I have my video ready. So now that things are settling down, I'm going to upload when I like a third video on Sundays when I do. It's not going to be every Sunday, but Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday. There you go. Because sometimes I'm just like, dude, I feel like I'm like too gone, but I am keeping up my vlog channel as well. What will Lizzy vlog? So yeah. Okay, this video is all over, but you guys know I just moved. I want to do updates and all that good stuff. So now let's get into my May faves. Whoop! Let's start off with e.l.f. products. I'm going to show you the products that stood out to me. I tried a lot of different products in the e.l.f. skincare video. I'll pop that right there. They had a lot of good things. I don't think anything was truly terrible. In that video, I kind of told you like how I felt. Overall, the products that I think that are worth purchasing and I could see myself repurchasing. Super Tone. This toner is really, really great. Super fresh. It's not too strong. It's a slight exfoliator because it is a brightening toner. Nothing happened. Didn't get any allergic reaction. Didn't get little bumps anywhere. And then also the cleanser. Now this cleanser is really good. I'm halfway done with it. This is a super clarify. You just need a little pinch because a little goes a long way. It removes so much of your makeup, especially if you're caked on like tonight. I am caked on because I was supposed to film hours ago, but I didn't realize the whole lighting situation and background was going to take so long. I probably repowdered like 4 to 5 times. So I am just super cakey right now. So apologies if you're like, ooh, something looks a little off. But I love this cleanser. It just cleanses really, really well. I don't happen to get any stinging in my eyes. It does remove a lot of your eye makeup. Obviously, if you have waterproof mascara, it's not going to remove all that, but it's great. I will say you do feel a little bit dry, but then that's where this product kind of comes into play. You're gonna have like your serums and your moisturizers anyhow, so that's why I don't really mind it, because when it says like super clarify cleanser, it's literally cleansing your face. Like it feels like it just got all the gunk out, which I can't wait to use that tonight. But in order to hydrate, I've been using the hydrating water essence. I do use this before my serums just because this is on a more liquidy, like, I don't know. I put it on like a little cotton pad and it's on the liquidy side so you can see it drip down. But it just adds like this, it's almost like the essence that you get inside masks. You know, when you can kind of save it and you pat it into your skin. This is basically like the leftover juice of masks in a bottle. It's like masks. It smells so fresh and it feels really luxurious and smells really luxurious. I don't know, even though it's just a water essence, has a little bit of thickness to it. It's not like completely like whoosh, drip, drip. I really like it. It just smells like a high-end product, feels really nice and refreshing. So I highly recommend this one. And that was it. I don't really care for the hydrogels. I don't think that they're that hydrating. The mask from the new line, because these are 2 out of the 3 products that I showed from the new line, it wasn't my favorite. I don't really think it left like my skin like super smooth. It was just like a whatever mask. Now onto mascara. You guys told me about the Lash Princess to wait to kind of use it, let the air go through it, you know, for a couple weeks. I love it. When I hit my bottom lashes, I'm like, when I hit my bottom lashes, they are so separated. They look super long. So if you guys are ever wondering about my lashes, because I did DM a couple of you guys, are like, what's on your bottom lashes? How do you get them so long and separated? It's been this. And I wish I had a Lash Princess waterproof. That would be amazing. One last e.l.f. product that I did discover. I don't know if it's a brand new product because I've had it in my collection. I've been trying out the Oil Control Primer Mist because your girl has been super, super oily. And this has just saved my... Hold on, I have to cough. Okay, I'm good. This has been really saving my face. I don't know, I just feel like it really mattifies. This reminds me of almost like, and I like how you can hear that. It's like an aerosol, like a bottle. It's almost like the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray, like when you spray it before you do your home makeup. It kind of like preps your face to like soak up those oils and let your makeup last. I really like it. The only thing I will say is that the spray doesn't have the strongest scent, but I do smell a little bit of dust. Just a little. But hey, I'll be a little bit crusty and dusty for it to control my face because the oils have been intense. This is going to be a random favorites, but Glenn and I found these at Target. Chocolate peanut butter pie Oreos. This is probably like the best limited edition flavor that they have ever come out with. So part of it is chocolate and then on the other side is peanut butter, and I make sure to bite it down the center. The best. Okay, my favorite one is birthday cake, and then this one comes second. Like nothing could ever stop birthday cake from me, but this one, so good. I honestly have no business eating that because I haven't even gone to the gym in 3 weeks. I feel disgusting. Plus I've been sick and it's just everything with the move, and I feel like, I've gained weight. I'm just like, whatever. This whole house is a whole blessing and we're just taking it little by little. Like Glenn hasn't even gone to the gym at all either, and he feels kind of insane. So, I mean, we've been doing things like outside and playing with our dogs, but it's just not the same as like getting in a good hour at the gym, like full on cardio, stretching, abs, all that good stuff. And I just feel like, but those Oreos, oh my God, so good. Now, if I want something sweet and I want to be a little bit more healthy, I've been obsessed with the Zone Perfect Salted Caramel Brownie Bar. Like, seriously, dude, I do not even understand how this is even considered like a protein bar because it tastes like a salted caramel, like candy bar. There's 11 grams of protein. How many carbs? 19 carbs, calories 200, fat 80. So I don't know. I really love it. It is so good. So I've been eating this too. Like whenever I get a sweet tooth, lately I've just been having a sweet tooth, maybe just because I don't know, I'm just like in a whatever stage right now, but it is so good. So if you are looking for a healthier alternative to like crave that sweet tooth, this is definitely going to be your best friend, because once we get everything settled, like in the next couple of days and I feel legit, your girl really has to cut back on so much stuff. So this one's going to come into play big time. This stuff is so good and it makes your mouth feel so amazing. And these are those Listerine Ready tabs. Have you guys seen that commercial where the guy's just like, on the plane. I don't know if you guys have ever seen it, but it comes in a 2-pack. This is my second pack, and it's just this little tab. And at first when I got it, I thought it was going to be kind of like chewy, like a mint, but it's actually like a powder tablet that you just chew, and it's like a chalky mint, but it doesn't taste chalky, and it's like you literally brush your teeth all over again. This makes your mouth feel so good. It just says chew to activate tablet for 10 seconds. You're supposed to swish it around your mouth for 30 seconds and then swallow. It literally gives you instructions. I honestly just like eat it. I'm like, and then I'm done. But it's so fresh. If you guys haven't tried it, this is like probably one of my favorite things right now because I love a fresh minty mouth. One of my favorite chapsticks has been the Sunbum in Pineapple. It has an SPF of 30, which is a must. They did send this to me in a PR package like a while ago, and I started using it, and I think I mentioned it in another favorites, but it's still my favorite. Then I picked up another one, and then they were so nice, and they sent me like another PR package, and they sent me 3 more, and I'm obsessed with this one. This is probably like the one chapstick that actually tastes like pineapple, and it doesn't have a weird aftertaste. It just, I don't know, I love how it just glides on. It really moisturizes the lips like on contact. Plus there's an SPF of 30. That is huge, especially it is summertime, like the sun is out. Well, the weather's been so weird over here, but the sun is out still regardless, and you gotta protect those puckers, baby, because my lips have been like chapped and dry from the sun beaming on. I'm just like, ooh, I need this in my life, so this one has really saved me. Girl being oily, this L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock came in freaking clutch. Like, it is probably one of the best primers I have tried that is the most mattifying for me, but doesn't suck the life out of my face. Like, I don't know what it is, but this works better to me than high-end primers. I used to really love the Makeup Forever mattifying primer, and then I decided, you know, I really don't, because it kind of leaves like a white film around the face. And Urban Decay did come out with one too, and I didn't really care for that one, but this one is legit like that, like a white primer. And when you blend it in, it feels so moisturizing, where when I first put it on, I was like, I don't think this is gonna do anything. This feels like one of my regular typical hydrating primers, but then once it sets on the face, like I said, it doesn't suck the life. Like, it gives your face some moisture, but you can feel like a barrier where it's like, okay, it's legit, it's gonna help, but it's still moisturizing my face so it doesn't look so dry, and I love it. It's like probably like the best, like I said, a mattifying primer ever. Then a highlight that I've absolutely been loving, this one is called Addiction from Laura Mercier. A beautiful, just regular gold, beautiful highlight. It's just very simple. It is part of their permanent line. You don't have to run to like 20 million stores to go get it. It's just a beautiful, pure gold highlight. Nothing where you have to like search high and low for it, where they only have so many, and then you go on eBay and then it's like $150. It's in their line. It is so stunning. I love how like a little goes a long way, or you can really build it up to that beautiful glow, but just the most beautiful gold, like straight gold, not too deep, not too light. It is amazing. I mean, I do think the packaging is a little bulky, but I like it because I dropped this thing. I opened it up and it was not shattered, so it is sturdy. So now I appreciate the packaging. All right, guys, well, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for bearing with me. I hope you guys are okay with the background as of now. This is not the permanent background. I think I don't know. This is good for right now. I mean, it makes me happy. It's like fun. It's light. It's tropical. There's pineapple, so it's like me. Also, my vlog channel is What Would Lizzy Vlog. I've been keeping up with my vlogs, so now it's like more up to date. Gonna go rest up, take off all this makeup. Love you guys. Mwah. Woo-hoo!
Here we go, it's all about you, it's all about me, it's all about what we do. Making art, you and me, trying to find something to believe.